In the case of Lebanon, despite what you see in the newspapers, news reports in the area, ang kababayans are still adamant on staying in Lebanon. Since hostilities in Israel and Gaza began last October, we already were calling on them to go home. Voluntary lang, but take advantage. But so far, only slightly more than 500 returned. And now, there are about another 500, pero papalit-palit numbers by the day, minsan more awaiting repatriation. The issue is, despite the attacks on Lebanon, the Filipino community there are committed about to the jobs, the employers, and feel that the situation in Beirut, that the majority are, is safe.